For those who don't know me, I am Fatima Batool. I started teaching from my alma mater, GCU, and later taught at different departments in Punjab University, Education University, and University of Lahore. Currently, I am serving as Assistant Professor in Federal Government Educational Institutes. As a CSS mentor, I strongly believe that the greatest hurdle in all competitive exams in Pakistan is language. It's English language in which you are going to study almost all subjects, and it's English language in which you will attempt almost all papers. I'm sure you must have silently read many books and passively interacted with a variety of texts. Let's change the way you approach English language. In my online classes, we will actively read excerpts from recommended books, develop well-structured notes, comprehend paragraphs and make them précis, prepare outlines and write essays, and interact on daily basis to develop expression and learn the required writing skills with expert tips and techniques. Précis and composition course focuses on basic grammar and writing skills, while essay course on advanced concepts, topics from frequently asked themes, and essay writing techniques. The course includes regular Zoom lectures, question answer sessions, daily assignments, weekly assessment, and a comprehensive course pack. Seats are given on first come, first served basis. Reserve your seat now.